I step into the bathroom and I find the toilet paper looking like this. I could imagine one of my kids obviously left like this, and the confusion that they must have had trying to figure out how to put that toilet paper onto that wall. They probably thought it was like a magician's trick or something. So I figured I'd make this video to show lots of young adults, that's what my kids are, on how to put that toilet paper onto that toilet paper roll. It's not as hard as you think. It's amazing kids can do a Rubik's Cube, but they can't put a roll of toilet paper on a toilet roll. So let's get into it. All right, let's get right down to it. First thing is, this is spring loaded, so I can see why some people, including the kids, could be intimidated by this, because this can definitely cause a lot of damage, as you can see. So you got to be careful. Spring loaded. Make sure the kids know about that. Very dangerous. So, like I said, you can see why the kids might be a little nervous about trying to put this roll of toilet paper onto this here spring loaded holder. Anyway, what you do is you put this spring-loaded plastic piece here inside the roll of toilet paper. You put one end in here, it's a little notched out. Squeeze it through and put that notched end in there. And it's really as simple as that. And you're all ready to do your business in a nice, clean, neat way. So there you go, kids. That's how you put toilet paper onto the toilet paper, spring-loaded toilet paper roll.